Good evening, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Des. Today I am going to do an unboxing of the Bookworm box. There are multiple different kinds of them. There is a digital box that is $9.99. You get 2 ebooks and a digital author letter. There's the minimalist box, which is $19.99, where you get 1 autographed book with exclusive cover, 1 ebook, and an author letter. The author stalker box for $29.99. where you get an author pin mate, an autographed book with exclusive cover, an ebook, an author letter, a bookworm pen, and author swag. The swagtastic box, which is this one, for $39.99, where you get 1 autographed book with exclusive cover, an ebook, an author pin mate, an author letter, 2 swag items, and a bookworm pen. And then there's also all about the books for $49.99. 2 autographed books with exclusive covers, 2 ebooks, 1 author pin mate, 2 author letters, a bookworm box pen, and author swag. All the money goes to charity, and this is a box that Colleen Hoover, who's an indie author, has created. So let's do the unboxing. You have a basic need for solitude some of the time. Thank you so much for choosing to support the Bookworm box. Every profit from products like this are donated to amazing charities around the world. Because of your support, the Bookworm box has aided more than 400 charities, helped promote over 500 authors, and donated more than 100,000. Let's keep working together to donate the next 1 million. Supported charities for February: Center of Giving Children, Books for Africa, Nutcracker Research Foundation, and CP Intervention Compassion Purpose.
You can take that off.
Ooh. Okay, so this is, let's see what this is. Together, hold on.
Should we pause? Mom, should I pause it so that we can get it? Should I just pause it?
Yes. Oh. So those are some bookends. Sorry if you misput them together. It says I love books. Very cool. I could actually use some bookends, so that's very, very cool. We have the author pin mate, and this is Ali Martinez. These are exclusive to the Bookworm box. Okay. What we got here? Oops. Circus of Scales. So we have the Book Love Tribe. We have just for the Bookworm box to get books. Trees Like Music Have Always Been a Good Place at Keeping Me Company, bookmark. Southern Pleasure by Kaylee Rhyme. Nikki Ash, another bookmark. It has a series on the back. Well, this is great. Shush, I'm with my new book boyfriend. And then it has different ones that you could click. And on the back, it is getting hot in here for your door. And then this, Hugs and Kisses Tic-Tac-Toe. It's like a little Valentine because it was for February. These come from Texas, so this came late because of all the snow and stuff that Texas got. They were kind of shut down for a while, and so everything came a little bit later. Okay. Comes with your free ebook. And then it has on the back that tells you everything about it. The bookworm pen. If you're like me, you never have enough pens and can never find one when you need one. The letter from the author. Hello, gorgeous. I wanted to personally thank you for supporting the Bookworm Box. This is such an incredible charity that would not be possible without the amazing readers like you. Now that we have covered how awesome you are, allow me to introduce myself. I am Allie Martinez, Georgia girl currently living in South Carolina, mom of 4 crazy kids, dog mom of a slightly neurotic golden retriever, Olive and Winnie lover, Olive and wine lover, ice cream and pizza hater. I'll pause while you gasp and question my sanity. And last but not least, author of nearly 30 romance novels. I am truly honored to have my book release featured in this month's Bookworm Box. Release is an emotional childhood friends to lovers romance filled with twists and surprises. This story swirled in my head for years before I was brave enough to finally write it. Much to my surprise, Rami and Thea had me laughing, crying, smiling until my cheeks hurt, sometimes on the same page. I hope you enjoy Release and the spin-off novel Reclaim as much as I love writing it. Please accept this chicken scratch postscript as my excuse for why I did not handwrite this letter. I thought you might like it to be somewhat legible. Luckily, all my books are typed. And then the book release. So that is it for today of the Bookworm Box. Again, this is the swagtastic one. Next month, I will be getting the Author Stalker box that I just switched my subscription to do. And the very cool thing in the inside of this box are all the different author signatures.
Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.